Hey friends, if the Windows Mail and Calendar app freezes, crashes, or is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So search for Mail in the Windows search bar and click on App Settings in the right pane. Now scroll down, click on Terminate to terminate the process, click on Repair and let it repair completely. Then click on Reset and reset once again. And you know when you notice a tick mark here, that's when you know that it has repaired. If this helps, well and good. Till date you cannot uninstall it usually, so Microsoft doesn't want you to uninstall it. But here's one thing that I suggest: you should start using the new Outlook app instead. Wait, I'll simply search for Outlook and click on this option which says Outlook New. Use this app instead, okay? Because this is the replacement of the Mail app and it is much better. I don't see any reason for you to continue with the Mail app when there is a much better substitute available. So this is my suggestion. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.